G'day guys, this is Kiwi GI Customs and Collections, and today I'm going to look at repairing Snake Eyes here. This is the 1985 version of him. Unfortunately, he had both his thumbs basically broken away, and I believe this could be quite a simple fix using just drilling into what used to be his thumb, using the old trusty paper clip, and snips, pliers, hot glue gun of course, and super glue. Okay, well, let's get into it, eh? There's one. There's two. And I'm using the 0.8 or 9 drill bit, and you can get them anywhere from any hardware store. Okay, and now I'll get the paper clip and bend the shape. So I want to create myself what may look like a thumb. I'll do the same with this side over here. Okay. Right, I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to snip these. I'm going to snip them a little bit higher, so there's room to cut them off if need be. That's one. Now the reason I cover my hands like that, because when I snip them off, they go flying hard out, so it's better just to cover your hands and catch them. Yep, I'll just put a thumb in there. I quite like that, just a little bit more shaping. Yeah, it does look weird, but trust me, once it's all done, it should be tickly boo. Okay, now it's time for the second thumb. Let's see how it looks. Yep, I think that'll look pretty good. Okay, time to take one out, put some super glue in it. Right, super glue in the thumb. Use a pair of pliers. That's pretty good. Take that one out. Put super glue in there. Okay, time for the first thumb back in there. It's quite a tight fit. Yep, that's pretty good. That looks kind of long, but it's all right. Right, let's actually clip this off, trim it down. Yep, that's good. Trim it down a bit more. It's a little bit too short. That's all right. That's quite long, so yep, I'm happy with that. Okay, so the next thing to do is apply a bit of hot glue gun. And with the thumbers to build it up. Right. Yep, that's quite good. Yep, just needs a little bit more shaping and it should be ready for paint. So what I use for shaping is this Dremel and just go around there. Now I'm going to do this off camera because it makes a hell of a noise and I'm pretty sure you don't want to hear this sort of rattling sound. Alright, so I ended up using this, and believe it or not, I only did it on one thumb. The other thumb here looks really good, so I'm going to end up just leaving it like that and start painting them. Right, so the paint I'm using is the Tamiya acrylic paint, which is semi-gloss X18 black. Look at the shake. Alright. That's not too bad. Yep, I'm happy with that. And then what I use next is some methylated spirits to clean the brush head. And a rag. And that's him. He is good to go once the paint's dried. Snake Eyes has got his thumbs back together. Well, brand new thumbs. And he's ready for action to fight Cobra. Catch you later, guys. See ya.